से हनुमानटा हूँ वर्ष को थोड़े पूजा करा हुए सोनपुर रे जोड़ा सप्तपुर अमावास्या दिन से पूजा करा हुए आउ चक लगई करी ताके रास्ता रे प्रोसेसन करा जाए संध्या रे। तार लांगुड़ रे निया लगा हुए कपड़ा देकर किरोसिन ढाली कर निया लगा हुए तापर चका लगे सब प्रशासन करती सेटा केते दिन रु चली अच्छी आमे भी जानी ना। आउ ये फॉर्मटा जो विकृति हनुमान टाइप रो फॉर्मटा सेटा आरंभ रु आसे पीढ़ी बाय पीढ़ी करी चालुछु सेटा से टाइप रो चली।
Friends, I am Jitu Mishra, a co-founder of Sarna Education and Cultural Services, Bhubaneswar. Today, let me take you to Sonpur, and Sonpur is a town in the middle Mahanadi Valley of Odisha, located on the confluence of three rivers, Mahanadi, Tel and Suktel. So it's a medium-sized town, maybe about 50 to 100,000 population. And Sonpur is, as you know, is widely known for its textile, the Bomkai heritage. There are hundreds and thousands of looms you find in around Sonpur, where the Bulia weavers have been, weaving for from time immemorial. The best, ikat of Sonpuri, and now also, they also weave the Bomkai, which was Bomkai silk, which was later introduced. Besides that, you have a beautiful landscape. Sonpur is also, it was the capital of the Somvansis. The Somvansis were they were responsible for building some of the finest, earliest temples in Bhubaneswar. But before they came to Bhubaneswar, they ruled from Sonpur. And Sonpur is also known as Banaras because of its numerous Shiva temples, the second Banaras, and it's also known as the Prayag, the second Allahabad, mainly because of its location on the bank, on the confluence of three rivers, as I said. Ramayana is in the DNA of every Indians. Everyone reveres Lord Rama and Ma Sita in, and also Hanuman in the Indian context. It is traditionally believed that the present day Sri Lanka, was supposed to be the Lanka. where once upon a time lived the demon king Ravan, and he had stolen goddess Sita, Ma Sita, the wife of Lord Sri Rama, and after a prolonged war, Ravana was defeated and killed by Lord Sri Ram, and that all happened in Sri Lanka. So there is a geological formation in the shallow water of Indian Ocean near Rameswaram, a stone alignment, and which is a geological formation. But according to the Hindu belief, that it was probably the bridge, the remnants of the bridge constructed by the Banar Sena, the monkey army under the command of Lord Sri Ram. And after its completion, the entire army of Lord Sri Ram, accompanied by the monkey army, could reach Lanka and defeat Ravana king. So that has been the traditional belief. But according to Professor Sankalia, who is considered as the father of Indian archaeology, he was the founder of Department of Archaeology at Deccan College, Pune, where I also studied. And Professor N.K. Sau, who was an eminent historian, archaeologist from Sambalpur. They had, after doing prolonged research, intensive research, and based on the remains of archaeological findings, legends, the names associated with Sonpur, and the tradition, the present day traditions, they came up with a hypothesis that it could be Sonpur could be the original Lanka, not the present day Sri Lanka. And interestingly, if you travel through, if you stroll through the heritage city of Sonpur, on the bank of on the confluence of the three rivers, you come across numerous Shiva temples. As I said, Sonpur was known as the second Varanasi, is known as the second Varanasi. Besides that, on the other side of the river, there is an archaeological site called Manamunda Asurgarh, which was excavated by Sambalpur University some 35 years back, and where they have discovered the remnants of an early historic city, 5th 6th century BC. And traditionally it is believed that the locals associate that the city, the archaeological site of Manamunda Asurgarh was the city of the demons, which is again Lanka. Friends, there is an interesting tradition in Sonpur. If you stroll through the potters neighborhood in the old quarter of Sonpur, you come across potters creating idols of Hanuman with mustache, which are very, very typical, which are very unique, the Hanuman statues, which you will not find in other places. And these terracotta Hanumans are used on the occasion of Saptapuri Amavasya, that is the Amavasya before the Sehra. And it is believed that on this day Hanuman had burnt the Lanka. And since then, the people of Sonpur have a curse over Hanuman.
दशहरा मास पूर्व एटा तैयारी करा जाए। दशहरा परे गणेश चतुर्थी दिन ए पर्वटी पालन करा जाए। याकू ओडिया रे मध्य कुड़ी काची खेल कहते जहाँकि छोट छोट पिला माने सकाल मध्य 2टा समय रे ताकू खेलंती और बड़ पुओ पिला माने ताकू हनुमान एटा हनुमान टी को राति रे चलंती ताकू लंका पुड़ी मध्य कहंती। समस्त आनंदर सहित पर्वटी पालन करथांती समस्त खुशी मनरे।
So they make the idols of Hanuman, and the children pull the Hanuman, the idol of Hanuman on the road, because the wheels are also there, and that is the adults also join in the evening. And after the ritual is done, the pulling of Hanuman is done, they are cursed and thrown away on the bank of the river. So that has been the traditional practice in Sonpur from time immemorial. And it is believed that since Hanuman had killed, Hanuman had destroyed Lanka, so they take the revenge of it. And Sonpur also has a very interesting variation of Ganjifa card. And unlike Puri or Parlakemdi, where you have the variations like Dasavatara or Astamalas, here the Ganjifa, which is the smallest one, and almost it is not there now, but we are fortunate to have the collection. There at Sonpur, if you look at the Sonpur Ganjifa, they are the smallest ones, circular, and they depict Indrajit and Ravan, the characters like Indrajit and Ravan, who are from the Ramayana traditions, as protagonists. And then you have the Lankeshwari temple at the middle of Mahanadi, which is the tutelary deity of Lanka. So you can see, in front of me there is a small shrine in the middle of the river. That is the shrine of Lankeshwari. Lankeshwari was the tutelary deity of Lanka. So all these evidences and traditions put together, it is believed that Sonpur was the original Lanka, not the present day Sri Lanka. So thank you so much for being with us.